Good morning, children. Today we will continue with the second lesson in SST. Lesson is our friends. Okay, children. In the last two classes, who are all the community workers we saw? Can you remember? Okay, come. Let us see one more time. First, we saw about firefighter. Firefighters are who saves the people and their belongings. Next, we saw about nurse. Nurse is a person who assists the doctor and takes care of the patients. Who are their children? They are engineers. Engineers are building houses to protect people. Who are their children? They are road workers. The roads are laid by road workers. Okay, children. Our next topic in this lesson is farmers. Do all of you know who are farmers, children? Yes. Farmers are working in fields. Because of them only we are getting food and we remain happy in our life. He soiled in the soil, he plowed to sow so that mud could give us food. Now you all know, children, how we are getting food. Okay. Next we will see about bus. You all know, no, children, what is a bus? Bus is one of our transport service. The service of drivers and conductors are also very valuable. They are the people who carry out the transport service efficiently. That means they do in a well organized way. Who is he, children? Who all know? Can you tell me? Yes, he's a police who protects people, their properties, and makes sure all the rules and regulations are followed by all. Regulations means official. Okay, children? He used to guard houses and people. God means protects a place or people. Next we will see about soldier, children. Soldiers who fighting to protect the people of our country from invaders. Invaders means who enter country by force. Okay, children? There are many soldiers who defend the country, sacrificing their own lives and families. These soldiers together form the army of the defense force. Defense means what, children? To protect people from attack. Okay, children, our next topic is teacher. We all of us seen our teachers, right? Okay, they are very much precious for us. The service of a teacher is a noble. Noble means what, children? That is honest. Service that enlightens us with knowledge, values, and helps people to become a good citizens in our country. So enlightens means giving information. Okay, children? Next we see about tailor. What tailor does, children? You all know? Yes, they used to stitch clothes. Next we see about painter. What painter does, children? You all know? Yes, he paints the wall. And next we see about plumber. What plumber does, children? You all know? He repairs pipes and taps. Next we will see about electrician. An electrician fits pipes and tubes. He used to repair electrical appliances. That is equipments related to electrical parts. Okay, children? Next we will see about traffic police, children. You all might have seen traffic police, right? His work is very important, children, because he controls the vehicles coming from all the sides, and thus he directs the vehicles and protect the pedestrians. Pedestrians means the people who are crossing the road. Okay, children? Children, today what we saw in community workers? Can you say? We saw about the farmer, police, soldier, teacher, tailor, painter, plumber, electrician, driver, conductor, and traffic police. Okay, children, do keep learning these topics daily. We will see the other topics in the next class.